Hi, I'm Dr. Himschoot and welcome to Medical Minute with Norton Healthcare. One question that I commonly hear from patients is how long does hip replacement surgery take? Typically, hip replacement surgery takes about 1 hour. However, a number of factors including severity of condition and complications can affect how long it takes. Following surgery, you will be monitored in the hospital and could potentially go home the same day. At Norton Orthopedic Institute, we employ techniques that make hip replacement less invasive so you can get back to being active faster. We are an orthopedic center of excellence certified by DNV and perform over 1,200 hip replacement surgeries a year. We offer educational programs to help patients prepare for surgery and its recovery. It is important to remember that every patient and diagnosis is different. If you have questions about your specific condition, I recommend you talk to a provider about a treatment plan that is right for you. For more information or to schedule an appointment with a provider, visit nortonorthopedics.com.